Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I wanted to stop by real quick. I am populating all my selling platforms with inventory. And I got a couple of questions about Poshmark. Keeping in mind, I'm not a Poshmark expert, but I do know a little bit about selling on Poshmark. One thing you want to do if you're going to set up on Poshmark, you want to brand your closet. So branding means that you can upload your own banner, you can put your picture, you can do all those type of things. And remembering when you're new, they're all coming after you, not just the scammers, also the veteran sellers that are on here. So you will get a lot of requests for followers. And the intent, I believe, is when they're asking you to follow or doing a follow request for you to follow them. And that's an introduction to their closet. So the mindset behind that is that you will absolutely see something in their closet that you will want and you will begin to buy from them. But if you keep the mindset of just like if you when you go to events and you're selling at events, my philosophy and my thought is when I go to events, I've already spent as much money as I plan to spend when I pay for the vendor spot. I don't go shopping. I don't go walking around looking at everybody's product. That's just one thing I don't do because I learned that in the very beginning of doing that, that you will spend more money than you make. And sometimes you don't even make money. You're just spending a whole lot of money, right? And also, if you're new to any one of the platforms, do your pricing like big brands do. What big brands do when they introduce a product to the market, many times they introduce a product to the market at a low ticket price. And then once that item gets market awareness, what they do is they take the price up. So you can walk into a store right now today, something is $5, brand new item. You go back in 2 weeks, that product is probably $15, right? Why? Because they introduced it to the market. The market became aware of it. They start making money off of it. And then the next time you come back, guess what? The price is sky high. Not sky high, but it is, well, many times sky high and elevated. So the same you want to do with your product. Any one of these platforms that you go on and you're brand new, you want to set a price. So for me, what I did for my bundles is they're going to be many of them they're all $30. Single is 24, right? So what happens with this as I get the market familiar with Jewelry by BDK, what will happen? At some point I will gradually start taking the price up. But make sure whatever you price it at, you're still making a profit. And another thing you see right here, let's see right here where it says Jewelry by BDK, that is the brand name. So be sure to put your brand name in there. So when you're creating your listing, it says brand, and then what you want to do is type your business name right here. And you want all your products to be identified by your business name, which is right here on all of them. And when you go through here, many of the bracelets that I have on here, I literally use a lot of wood beads. So it makes it look like really expensive. And trust me, on every one of these, I am absolutely making a profit. And what I'm doing is I am cross posting. So Poshmark, Macari, eBay, my website, and any other place, Fair, and some other places, just some really small places. I have some stuff posted. Also on oh my God, what's it called? Festivals and something, but they allow you to post your business name and product on there too. I'll share that in the link. But this little video only gives me like 5 minutes, and I'm almost at the end. But this is just a quickie I wanted to share with you guys if you're planning to sell on Poshmark. Just remember those little pointers. And follow for follow, that don't work. Do if you're gonna be doing a bunch of sharing, share your product. And every once in a while, if you see somebody else's product that you want to share, go ahead and share their product. But the concentration and the focus when it comes to sharing and sharing and sharing should be on yours. And you can share yours all day. Like right here, you go here, you click that, and then you just post. You can share all during the day as many times as you want to. And what happens with that is it brings your product to the top of the feed. Okay. But anyway, just a quickie. We'll talk later.